Okay, here's the problem. We've got a bi-flow dryer. You can see bi-flow dryer on the hot gas line coming off the compressor. Not so good. Plug everything up like these little dryers back here, which aren't really dryers, they're just a strainer. Piece of brass screen inside of it. But Carrier goes ahead and does their metering right here in their tubes. They got little orifices inside the tubes. So we're going to carve out this filter and the other filter that's down here. Take those out, and we'll go ahead and we'll take out this other filter dryer and straight pipe this, put new filter dryers in there. We'll go ahead and we'll take this out because these valves, they leak. Low side isn't so bad, but the high side is. So we'll go ahead and we'll change out that valve. It just doesn't take the heat. And we'll go ahead and get her back up and running.